Trying to convince people to like you might come across as needy or even manipulative, so being likable is a fascinating task. We'll look at how to be likable in a genuine way in this guide. Number 10. Memorize people's names and use them. When someone tells you their name, memorize it by linking it with another person or a word. Use their name while greeting or conversing with them. Don't abuse it. Meeting once or twice is fine. Number 9. Keep your promises. Preferably undersell and over-deliver than the reverse. Only promise something you can fulfill. Keeping your promises builds trust. You should always say, "I'm not sure whether I can attend, but if I can, I'll let you know," rather than "I'll go." Number 8. Combine being humble and confident. Being likable implies being self-assured and modest. You don't need to brag about your accomplishments, but you won't ignore them either. Everyone fails. Rather than letting it grind you down, you can use it to better understand others. This mentality helps you be humble while remaining confident. Everyone wants to help, and when you feel stupid or make a mistake, they assure you they've done it before and it didn't kill them. Their modesty exudes confidence. They have nothing to prove. Number 7. Smile, but not all the time. Smile more, but too much can make you appear uneasy. Make it a practice to grin when someone is amusing, saying goodbye. Relax your face and avoid frowning. Focus on what people say rather than forcing a smile. Number 6. Dare to be warm and friendly right away. It's normal to be wary of strangers because we don't know anything about them or how to approach them. Intentionally or not, being reserved might make you appear cold or aloof. You'll gain likability by being warm, easygoing, and sociable right away. When being introduced, keep your body language positive and open. Number 5. Be authentic. Authenticity is a key trait of likable people, both men and women. Keep an eye out for overperforming or over-efforting. It could be a joke to generate a chuckle, a savvy move, or a subtle reference to your outstanding work or costly attire. You should act as if you don't care about their praise. That's when you're totally genuine. Number 4. Practice not judging people. In our survey, not judging is a big component of being liked. We're all young at heart, trying to figure out the world and who's who. It can lead to rash decisions and dismissing people since we don't know the complete story. For a deeper understanding of a person's point of view, likable people aim to grasp when someone's actions puzzle you. Attempt to comprehend their life circumstances. This mental practice improves empathy. Number 3. Give people your undivided attention. Giving someone your entire attention is so crucial that it warrants its own section. When talking to someone, focus on them. Leave your phone. Ignore it. Don't scan the room or pay attention to others. Then, refocus on the person you're talking to by listening and paraphrasing what they've said. Talking to someone is single-tasking. Get rid of all distractions and jump into the conversation. Number 2. Be a good listener. How to tell if you listen well. Do you concentrate on what someone is saying or do you start thinking about what you should say next? If you find yourself pondering what to say next, you need to practice listening. Whenever you zone out, bring your focus back to the speaker. Rather than pondering what to say, try to think of questions to ask to learn more about what they're saying. But listening well isn't enough. You must also listen. That's active listening. Number 1. Develop your sense of humor. Research found that being hilarious is one of the most likable attributes, and that women value it more than men. Be mindful that comedy has two sides. Trying to be funny is not likable and can turn people away. Not to mention, people like those who are witty. If you're not inherently amusing, there are other ways to be likable.